Welcome to Smarter Everyday Over Learning. Dear students, in this class, I am going to give you a clear-cut idea about molecular orbitals energy level diagram. Here you can see energy level diagram of the molecular orbitals. Here students, all these are atomic orbitals. These are atomic orbitals, and here you can see these are all molecular orbitals. Molecular orbitals. Again here these are also called as atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals. Okay? Now see, in the atomic orbitals, this is 1s orbital and here also 1s orbital. This is 2s and this also 2s. And this one is, in the atomic orbitals, 2p orbital. 2px, 2py and 2pz. Here also same, 2px, 2py and 2pz orbital. Let's see about molecular orbitals. Molecular orbitals. Sigma. This is sigma 1s orbital. And this is sigma star 1s orbital. Here sigma 2s orbital. Here is sigma star 2s orbital. Sigma. Here pi 2px. Pi 2px orbital, and this is pi 2py orbital. Here it is sigma 2pz orbital, and here sigma 2pz. These two are same, sigma 2pz, sigma 2pz. Here sigma star, students. Okay, sigma star. This is sigma pi 2px, pi 2py. Here pi star 2px orbital. Here pi star 2py orbital. Here you can see the increasing energy level order like this, increasing energy level. The relative energies of the molecular orbitals formed. You can see that in this diagram. Since 2s atomic orbitals, here 2s atomic orbitals have higher energy than 1s atomic orbital. Therefore, the pair of molecular orbitals obtained from 2s atomic orbitals have higher energy than the pair of molecular orbitals obtained from the 1s atomic orbitals. However, within the same pair of molecular orbitals, the bonding molecular orbitals have lower energy than the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, the energies of the pair of molecular orbitals obtained by the combination of 2px with 2px, 2py with 2py and 2pz with 2pz atomic orbitals are higher than those of pair molecular orbitals obtained from 2s atomic orbitals. However, out of these 6 molecular orbitals, pi 2px and pi 2py have equal energies, that is, they are degenerate, whereas pi star 2px and pi star 2py also have equal energies. These two are having equal energies. They are also degenerate. Further, out of 6 molecular orbitals formed from the combination of p orbitals, pi 2px and pi 2py, here pi 2px and 2py have lowest energy, being equal they are degenerate, and sigma star 2pz, this is sigma star 2pz has highest energy. The energy of sigma 2pz, this is sigma 2pz sigma star 2pz is highest energy level. Sigma star 2pz, the energy of sigma 2pz, this orbital sigma 2pz is higher than that of pi 2px. Okay, pi 2px and pi 2py. When compared with these two, sigma 2pz has highest energy level. Those of pi star 2px. Here, pi star 2px and pi star 2py are in between those of sigma 2pz and sigma star 2pz. Thus, the first 10 molecular orbitals may be arranged in order of energy as follows. I'll tell you. First one, sigma 1s. You can see here, sigma 1s. This is first one. And less than sigma star 1s. And less than sigma 2s. This is third one. Sigma 2s. Sigma star 2s. This is fourth one. And less than pi 2px. This is fifth one. Pi 2px is equal to pi 2py. This is sixth one. Less than sigma 2pz. Sigma 2pz. This is seventh one. Here sigma 2pz, seventh one. Pi star 2px. This is eighth one. Is equal to pi star 2py, ninth one. Less than sigma star 2pz. This is 10th one. Let's write all these. All of these we should write like this. First one, sigma 1s orbital less than sigma star 1s orbital less than sigma 2s orbital less than sigma star 2s orbital and less than pi 2px. Pi 2px is equal to pi 2py orbital. Okay students, why? Because these two are degenerating. These are in equal energy level. Pi 2py less than sigma 2pz. Sigma 2pz less than pi star 2px. Here pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py orbital less than sigma star 2pz orbital. Okay, the energy level diagram for the molecular orbitals may be representing by using this diagram. Okay students, this is about today's session, molecular orbitals energy level diagram for homonuclear diatomic molecules except O2, F2 and neon. And students, this is about the entire diagram, increasing energy level from top to bottom. Here atomic orbitals and molecular orbitals. Atomic orbitals again. Atomic orbitals 1s, 2s and 2p. 2p has again orbitals of 2px, 2py and 2pz here. Here also same 2px, 2py, 2pz, and middle of these, all of these are molecular orbitals. Molecular orbitals sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px, pi 2py. These are in equal energy level. And sigma 2pz, here see pi star 2px and 2py. Here again sigma star 2pz. And the orbitals which are present in the lower level, the bottom of this diagram, these are all having least energy levels. And at the bottom of this diagram, these are all having highest energy level, basing upon this increasing energy level top to bottom. Okay students, if you understand this class, you can share to your friends and subscribe to this channel for my further updates. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, you can convey your doubt in the comment section. Okay students, thanks for watching.